Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between the two indoor flying insect traps. So here I have the Zevo, and on the right I got the Safer Home. Both of these plug into a wall outlet. Now the Zevo is bigger. You're going to plug it in, it's going to have a light, and you peel this off to activate that sticky. So when the flies are attracted to the light, or any insects, they're going to stick to this. And eventually you will have to replace that with a new one. Over here on the Safer Home, again it's got a light. You plug it in, they're going to be attracted, the bugs will stick to this, and then eventually you will have to replace that. Very easy to replace. Both of them rotate for the plug. You want these to be facing up. Here I've got them both plugged in. I've got this one turned upside down just because it won't fit next to that one in a plug. So you can see the bigger one is a little bit darker blue and a little bit brighter. Now, even when the lights are on, those lights still stay on. You can just hardly notice them when your other lights are on. Okay, so let's measure them real quick. So this one is a little bit taller, but you get more of a surface area, about 6.5 inches almost, and about 4 inches that way. Sticks out from the wall about 2.5, but again has a much bigger surface area for the flying insects to go into. This one sticks out about 1.5 inches. Overall is about 5.5. Left to right's about 3. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.